Imagine checking your retirement statement only to realize your employer hasn't deposited 401k contributions in months. Or perhaps you've recently left a job and the window for your COBRA notice is closing without a word from HR. For many, the biggest hurdle is insurance, where providers block access to mental health treatment by forcing patients through a maze of pre-authorizations and paperwork. These benefits are legally yours, but the process of actually claiming them can feel like a full-time job. At the center of this system is ERISA, the Employee Retirement Income Security Act. This is the federal law that sets the standards for how your retirement and health plans must be managed and protected. But navigating ERISA usually means dealing with the reality of corporate bureaucracy. To the average worker, a Form 5500 SF or a list of administrative deadlines can look less like a protection and more like an intentional barrier. To bridge this gap, the Department of Labor is launching a new digital gateway in June 2026. It's located at askebsa.dol.gov. This portal represents a shift in how workers interact with the department. Instead of a legal maze, it functions as a digital front door, designed for the public, not just lawyers, providing a direct way to verify what your employer actually owes you. The portal uses a straightforward, tile-based navigation system. This structure is intended to guide you quickly to self-service tools and educational videos, without requiring you to search through pages of regulations. One of its primary uses is helping workers deal with health insurance companies that place unfair restrictions on mental health or eating disorder treatments. Under the Mental Health Parity and Addiction Equity Act, or MHPAEA, insurance companies are required to provide coverage for mental health and substance use disorders that is equal to their coverage for physical medical care. By selecting the Health Plan Assistance tile, you can find the specific documentation needed to challenge illegal pre-authorization requirements or appeal denied claims based on parity laws. The site also addresses the transition between jobs, particularly the requirement for COBRA health coverage. Employers have specific legal deadlines they must meet. For instance, if they decide you aren't eligible for COBRA, they are required to provide a notice of unavailability within 14 days of your request. askebsa provides a clear breakdown of these rules. If an employer misses these windows, the portal shows you exactly which regulations they are failing to follow. Utilizing these specific health and COBRA resources means you can approach your provider or former employer with documented facts, allowing you to advocate for your coverage using the department's own compliance standards. The portal also handles financial benefits. In a labor market where people change jobs frequently, 401k accounts are often left behind and eventually forgotten. To address this, the site features a Retirement Savings Lost and Found database tile. This database was built to help workers track down and reconnect with retirement benefits from previous employers, centralizing data that was previously scattered across different plan administrators. The portal also covers errors made by your current employer, such as failing to forward your 401k contributions into your account on time. The VFCP, or Voluntary Fiduciary Correction Program tile, provides a framework for employers to legally self-correct these types of financial errors. If you notice a contribution error, you can point your employer toward this specific program. It provides a pathway for them to fix the mistake through the department's established administrative channels. Whether you're finding money from a decade ago or ensuring your current contributions are being handled correctly, these tools are designed to ensure your earned retirement funds actually reach your pocket. Remember that Ask EBSA isn't just a library of articles. It is a direct line to a federal agency with significant enforcement power. The agency's enforcement of health parity alone has helped more than 18 million participants gain better access to critical mental health services. The financial results are just as stark. Enforcement efforts have recovered over $7 billion in retirement benefits for missing participants, adding to the $1.4 billion in general recoveries across all their programs. If self-service databases and instructional videos don't resolve your issue, the portal provides one final safeguard. You can request to connect directly with a human EBSA benefits advisor through the portal, or reach them by calling 1-866-444-3272. Bookmark askebsa.dol.gov today to keep these tools within reach. For more practical training on your workplace rights and safety, subscribe to the HSE Study YouTube channel.